Hello, welcome to my channel Speak with Math. Evaluate integral ax plus b the whole raised to n into dx. To integrate this type of function, we can use the method called integration by substitution. And this is a powerful method for solving this type of function. This method, by a proper substitution, we can simplify the given integral so that the integration become more easier. Integral ax plus b the whole raised to n into dx. Here put some variable t is equal to ax plus b. Now differentiate on both sides, then we get dt is equal to a dx. Here b is a constant. Now then this integral become ax plus b is what? T raised to n. In the place of dx we have dt by a. This is equal to 1 by a into integral t raised to n into dt. Now here we have to consider two cases. First one is n not equal to minus 1 and the second one is n equal to minus 1. When n not equal to minus 1, this integration becomes 1 by a integral t raised to n dt is equal to what when n not equal to minus 1? This is equal to 1 by a into integral t raised to n dt is t raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is equal to t raised to n plus 1 divided by a into n plus 1 or integral ax plus b the whole raised to n into dx is equal to what? T is ax plus b. So ax plus b the whole raised to n plus 1 divided by a into n plus 1 plus a constant c. When n not equal to minus 1. Now consider the second case, that is 1 by a integral t raised to n dt when n equal to minus 1. N equal to minus 1 means 1 by a integral 1 by t raised to minus 1, that is 1 by t dt. This is equal to 1 by a integral 1 by t dt is log t plus a constant c. So that is equal to integral ax plus b the whole raised to n dx is equal to 1 by a into log t. T is what? Ax plus b plus a constant c when n equal to minus 1 and equal to ax plus b the whole raised to n plus 1 divided by a into n plus 1 plus a constant c when n not equal to -1. This is the solution. Thank you.